Hi everyone, my name is Elena. I am a CSIL coach for the Center for Student Involvement and Leadership, and today I'm going to be showing you a how-to for filling out purchasing paperwork. So these are our steps for purchasing. Step 1 is determining what you'd like to order. Step 2 is choosing your vendors. Step 3 is gathering your quotes. Step 4 is putting the vendors into an oral bid. Step 5 is filling out a check request with a chosen vendor. And step 6 is compiling all these documents into a packet. So take the time to determine what you'd like to purchase. You may submit a purchase request under categories such as advertised promotion, supplies, and honoraria. Doing so requires you to search for vendors. So your question may be, what is a vendor? A vendor is a person or company offering something for sale. For example, if you'd like to order something under advertised promotion, you look for vendors that sell things such as hoodies, t-shirts, hats, etc. For supplies, this would be decorations, tablecloths, centerpieces, and any other items that your club may need for events or meetings. Honorary can be things such as stoles and cords for commencement, and even gift cards. So, choosing your vendor. For orders under $250, you're required to find one vendor along with a single quote and then a check request. For orders over $250, you're required to find three vendors along with three quotes for those specific vendors, a check request, and an oral bid. So I will now be going over what exactly an oral bid is. So it allows you to list your three vendors that you will be choosing for your order that is over $250. Again, if your order is under $250, you do not need an oral bid. So you will put your club name, organization, the date in which you're filling it out, the vendor with the vendor name, address, telephone number, and a contact person, your item description, which is what you're going to be ordering, the quantity requested. If it's multiple items, the quantity requested will always be one, the item price, which should be the same as the total price, your selected vendor, and the selected amount. I will now be going over the check request. So the check request is for your selected vendor that you chose in your oral bid. So you'll put your vendor name, the address, phone number, the amount, the account name and number, your budget name, which is your club and organization name. If this is for a specific event, please state the event, date, time, location. If this is for advertised promotion, please list the item number, the quantity, sizes, and color. So once you determine what you like to purchase, you will need to gather your quotes. These codes must be obtained from three vendors and downloaded as a printed PDF that features the vendor's name, the website title, all items that you plan on purchasing, and the total cost with shipping. To get this full amount, please hit the checkout button. All items featured on each quote must match in quantity, size, color, etc. On your screen, I have provided all three codes for this order. I have the for all promos, for imprint, and custom ink. When gathering your quotes and saving them as a saved PDF, they should look as follows. They should have the item clearly stated with their quantity, sizes, and color. You should also have the item price along with the shipping. On your screen, I have provided all three codes for this order. I have the for all promos, for imprint, and custom ink. When gathering your quotes and saving them as a saved PDF, they should look as follows. They should have the item clearly stated with their quantity, sizes, and color. You should also have the item price along with the shipping. On your screen, I have provided all three codes for this order. I have the for all promos, for imprint, and custom ink. When gathering your quotes and saving them as a saved PDF, so once you gathered all of your quotes that is needed for your order, you can now fill out your oral bid, list all vendors starting from the one that costs the least, ending with the one that costs the most. Your preferred vendor / your selected vendor should be the first one. If you are not choosing the lowest price vendor, you will need to write a memo explaining your reasoning for not choosing it. So we will now be filling out the oral bid together. So for my order, I will be doing an advertised promotion order. I want to order hoodies in black, and I want to order t-shirts in red. They will be the same sizes, medium in 30, large in 30. So for my oral bid, I will be looking at the vendors for all promos, for imprint, custom ink. After gathering all my quotes, I've determined which one costs the least, middle, and most. So my least expensive vendor is for all promos, that's why it's at the top. The second least expensive is for imprint, and the most expensive is custom ink, I will be going with the least expensive vendor, which is for all promos. I have put it on the line here, and then I have put the selected amount, which should match the total price in the box up top. Step 5 is filling out the check request. You should first fill out the vendor information, such as their name, address, and phone number. Indicate the actual amount of your preferred vendor. This amount should match the one on the oral bid and the quote. The account name and number can be found on the SIA website. Depending on what type of order it is, it will have a different name and number. Fill out your budget name, which is the name of your club. If this order is for an event, indicate which event it is for with the name, day, time, and location. If it is for a specific event, attach a PDF of your event flyer to the packet at the end. If it is not for a specific event, please leave those lines blank. In the notes section, list what items are in your order along with the product name, the color, quantity, and sizes. Include the email and password used to make the cart for your preferred vendor. After I finish my check request, I can then combine all of these documents that I've collected into a single packet. Before sending your packet to SIA, please combine them into a single packet. The order should be in the first page is check request, second page is oral bid, third page is memo if you are not choosing least expensive vendor. Your fourth page should be your checkout shopping cart. Each vendor shopping cart must be in the order in which the oral bid is in, from the lowest price vendor to the highest price vendor. And the fifth page is the event flyer if this is for a specific event. After following these steps, you should now have a completed packet. Please send all purchasing packets to cecilpurchasing@jj.cuny.edu. And as always, if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can email us at the email listed on the screen, or you can come down to L.69 in the CSIL office. And for more how-to videos for all your purchasing needs, please refer to our website. Thank you.